To register for Compas courses, you can go to compass.mgt.trainingsystemsg.com in order to look for the courses that you wish to register for. So once you come to this login page, you can just scroll down to the courses. Okay, let's try to register for Provide Safety and Security. Click on View. And choose the available dates. Okay, let's choose 22nd of Feb and click on register. Okay, once we come to this page, if you're registering for a course with Compass for the first time, you will need to click here to sign up now. Otherwise, if you already have an existing account, you can just log in with your registered email and password. So let's click on here to sign up now to register for a new individual account. Select the first one, register as public individual learner if you are paying for the course on your own and not through your company. Okay, the fields that are marked with a red star are compulsory fields, so all this must be filled up. So key in your full name as per your NRIC. And also your email address that you would like to receive emails from. Your password. Okay, now scroll down. Make sure you key in your nationality because that is required in order to obtain funding. And your sales manager, whom you have been liaising with. So let's choose Heather. Okay, if you would like to enjoy government funding, please click on yes. Okay, once you click on yes, all the fields that are required for mandatory funding purpose, you will be displayed against with a red star. So please key it, ensure you key in your personal details into all these fields. Okay, start with your contact number. Okay, because you have selected Singapore citizen, so your ID type has been defaulted to NRIC, and key in your ID number and date of birth. Indicate if you would like to receive a newsletter from Compass, plus you have to agree to all the terms and conditions. If you need to read the terms and conditions, you can just click on the orange words and the pop-up screen will appear for you to read the terms and conditions. Next, make sure you click on I'm not a robot, followed by register. Okay, an email has been sent to your email address to allow you to activate your account. So you need to go back to your email address to click on the activate button to activate your account first before you can log in. Let's go and activate the account. Once you have activated your account, come back to this login page and you can click on login to access your new account to complete the registration. So key in your registered email and your password. Followed by I'm not a robot, and then log in. Once you log in, you see that the course that you have earlier earlier selected is displayed on this screen. So just check that the course title, the course date is correct. Then go to the next button. You'll be brought to this screen where you need to check your personal information to ensure that your NRID and your date of birth is keyed in correctly. If your NRID and date of birth is keyed in correctly, you will see the fee option SSG funding being displayed, as well as the net amount payable after the funding, which is in this case $90 based on what you are eligible for. And you will also see in blue the funding that you are entitled to. So at this point, if you require to update your personal profile, you can click on the update profile button. Otherwise, just click on next. And once you click on next, you will be brought to this page where again, you will have to confirm your agreement to the collection of personal data under the PDPA. And also the referral source, recommendation by others, and click next. Okay, here you will get to see your profile again just to reconfirm your profile. Scroll down to just double check to make sure that all your profile has been keyed in correctly. It is important to take note that when you're keying in the date of birth, the date of birth must be keyed in according to the format of day dash month dash year. If this is keyed in the wrong format, as in day slash month slash year, or in any other formats, the date of birth will not be correctly reflected in the system, and this would then result in no funding being shown. So do ensure that you key in the date of birth correctly right from the start. So once you have checked that all the information are correct, click on I affirm that all the information is true and accurate. And if you need to edit your profile at this juncture, you can still do the edit, click on the edit button, otherwise goes to next. You'll be brought to the payment page. On this payment page, you can edit the bill to information if necessary. Otherwise, the bill to will be by default to your own name because you're making the payment as a self-sponsored individual. Now scroll down. Please take note of the blackout date. The blackout date refers to the date whereby you will not be able to make any rescheduling or withdrawal on your own. But all this rescheduling and withdrawal from 16 Feb onwards will be sent to Compas for approval first. Okay, now the payment type, you can choose either to pay via PayNow, where you can straight away scan the QR code and make a payment, or you can reserve and pay by other mode. And under the other modes, you'll be able to choose other mode of payment. Okay. Now, there's also another mode of payment. If you scroll down further, just cancel this. Please press cancel. Press cancel. Yes. Okay. Once you scroll down, you see the Skills Future Credit on your right. Click on Apply Skills Future Credit now. If you like to pay via Skills Future Credit, and you'll be directed to the Skills Future Credit webpage where you're required to log in using your SingPass ID and password. So you need to make sure you have your SingPass ID and password with you in order to log in. Once you log in, you will be brought straight to the page, payment page, where the course date as well as the course amount is shown, and you can key in the amount that you would like to pay using a Skills Future Credit. If you do not have enough Skills Future Credit, you can pay with Skills Future Credit first and make the balance payment via PayNow or other mode. Okay, so let's click on cancel button first. We're not making a payment at this point in time. You can print the summary to actually see the payment details, or after your payment is done, you can come back here to print a summary to actually see your invoice. An invoice and receipt will be sent out to you once full payment has been made. Let's go up. And if at any point in time, say if you are not ready to make a payment now, you want to come back tomorrow to make a payment, you can sign into your account and simply click on the card. You'll see a number 1 next to it. So click on the card and you'll be able to see your payment details here. So move to the right. You can see that your status is shown as not reserved, pending payment, and the payment due date is 22nd of Feb. So click on edit if you wish to make a payment, and this will bring you back to the payment page. Once your payment has been done, automatically your registration will show up under the My Registration tab on the top. So click on My Registration, the 3rd tab on top, and all your registered and fully paid programs will be shown here. So at any point in time, if you need to reschedule or withdraw from the class, you can come back to this page under My Registration, click on the Edit button towards your right, and you'll be able to apply for a rescheduling or withdrawal. Okay, rescheduling and withdrawal before the blackout dates can be done by you automatically. Whereas anything that happens, any request that's made after the blackout date, it will be sent to Compas for approval first. Okay, that brings us to the end of the registration process. You have now successfully registered for a course with Compas. We look forward to seeing you.